I saw this tool on the internet and I wanted one. It basically turns a 3-jaw chuck into a faceplate, limited to boring parts with 2 parallel surfaces. The tool consists of 3 T-nuts, 3 studs, a retaining plate with 2 sets of holes to accommodate different sized workpieces and 3 nuts. Although a ball can be held in the jaws, contact is only at 3 points, whilst this tool has more contact area. It saves me having to swap chucks or fit a faceplate. It can securely hold conical and thin hollow parts which would be impossible or dangerous to hold in the chuck. Say I need to widen this hole. The part is inserted between the chuck face and the retaining plate. It is then held using the revolving center. This automatically centers it. The retaining plate nuts are snug to allow the part to be moved around, for better alignment. The part is centered on the hole by holding a dead center between the bore and a center in the tailstock. A DTI is used to read the wobble in the dead center. The part is then dialed in the same manner as on a 4-jaw chuck. The retaining plate nuts are then given a final tightening. I found this rusticulated flange, probably salvaged from the Titanic, with 2 sets of holes conveniently located 120 degrees apart. It is useless as is, but it is perfect for this application. The chuck bore is plugged. Nuts are used as spacers so I can face the flange. Let's see if there is some metal left. There is, and it's hard. I'll clean the inner diameter so I can hold it using the inside jaws. The flange is flipped around so the other side is faced. The outside diameter is turned. I let its inner beauty shine. The smaller set of holes are widened. This steel is hard. I was going to widen the holes using carbide end mills on the mill, then I remembered I had bought these carbide tip drills. They are similar to masonry bits but ground to drill metal. Let's see if they are any good. A bit rough cutting, but they might get you out of a bind. With the flange part done, the next set of parts are the T-nuts. I first rough out the bulk of the material. Then I finish up with an end mill. The holes for the studs that shall hold the flange to the T-nuts are drilled and tapped. The T-nut fits nicely in the chuck jaw slots.